It all began on the internet as an online satirical political campaign. Remember the Chief Justice's comments about cockroaches? And then that is essentially what gave birth to the Cockroach Janta Party. This protest, where we are here at, this is Team In Your Interest that has now come to Jantar Mantar to really assess what's going on here. On the 20th of June, the Cockroach Janta Party launched this protest right here on the Jantar Mantar. On the 28th of that month, Sonam Wangchuk, the man needs no introduction, educator, environmentalist, a scientist, somebody who's been conferred with the very prestigious International Magsaysay Award, he's here. He's on a hunger strike for the last 18 days. It's his 18th day of the hunger strike. And a couple of factors to look at here, because there is politics that is colluding and, in the crossroads of actual demands of the youth with the NTA and the mistrust that the NEET re-examination and the NEET leak brought to the fore. Demands of Dharmendra Pradhan, the Union Education Minister's resignation, is something that you can hear in the chants across here. Let us show you all that has been kept up here. There are people that are camping here, people that are sleeping here, people that are reading their books, the AISF, several other political organizations that have also sort of trying to draw political mileage from this, trying to organically support this as well. A lot of people that are just sitting here, they're stationary, they don't want to budge. If Sonam Wangchuk is here to stay, well, they say they are going to stay here as well. Several people in little groups talking to the media, talking to local channels, talking to some international media channels that have also made their way here. Books about revolution that are also being sold here. Books about revolution, stories about revolution that are also being spoken about from the mic, from the main stage over there. We're going to make our way over there. That is exactly where Sonam Wangchuk is at the moment as well. We've tried to get in touch with him, but clearly after 18 days of hunger strike, it's very difficult for Sonam Wangchuk to really speak anything. We also had a word with the doctor. We're going to quickly play that out as well. We had a word with the Ashutosh Raka, the spokesperson for the Cockroach Janta Party. And like you can see, so many people that are continuously thronging here, people from all walks of life, people from all ages. It's not just the youth that is here to protest. If you look at the health bulletin, the blood sugar has dropped down anywhere about 90 to 100. Fasting blood sugar seems to be the normal average here, but that's gone below 80, 75 to 80, and the doctors say that this is actually a serious position. When you're talking about the blood pressure, that has gone down as well. He's only drinking water. There's only the intake of water, and mind you, the urine output has also dropped in. Let's also take a look at for all the kiosks that have been set up over here, the posters that you can see. This is a new face of Jantar Mantar that we're seeing over here. Boxes that say referendum, boxes that call for any kind of donation, boxes that call for any kind of support that can come this way here as well. Let's ask here, ma'am. Ma'am, you say that there's absolutely no donation whatsoever. A lot of social media posts that is saying and depicting otherwise. So how is all of this being done? Can you help the viewers understand that particularly? You're from the KYS, the Krantikari Yuva Sangathan, and people are also saying that there's a lot of politics that's involved in this. You've got political groups, student union groups that are now giving their support open-heartedly to Sonam Wangchuk and the Cockroach Janta Party's protest. But one has to question, one will question, and people are out there. Social media is a vast place. So would you like to throw some light on that? You said no donation at all.
I'm talking about this is not a donation drive. It's been 26 days of indefinite sitting here, sleeping here, getting up, being here in adverse weather, and 26 days of indefinite sit-in, 0 days of accountability. The students and youth of this country have been protesting, have been a part of the ground struggle so that equal public-funded education reaches the last one in line, and that struggle has a long history.
Dr. Nitin Dige is with us, 18th day of the hunger strike, and we're learning that the blood pressure has dropped, the blood sugar levels have gone down. He's not urinating as much as he should at the moment. Clearly signs that the body is sort of slowly deteriorating as well. Dr. Dige, बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे को टाइम देने के लिए. सबसे पहले आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे कि 18 दिन पहले क्या स्थिति थी और आज क्या स्थिति थी. दर्शकों को एक बार एक जर्नी बता दीजिए फौरन.
देखिए 18 दिन पहले वो एकदम फ्रेश थे. उनका जो वज़न था वो आज 18 डे के बाद में, आज 18 डे है उनका अनशन का, और सिर्फ पानी पे हैं वो 18 दिन से। तो अभी उनका टोटली वेट लॉस अप्रॉक्स 9 kg कम हो गया है। तो ये वेट लॉस है, ये मसल्स का है, और इसकी वजह से उनका हेल्थ अभी बहुत नाजुक हो गया है। उनको चलने के लिए, बात करने के लिए थोड़ा सा कठिन जा रहा है। आज हम सुबह जब उनको वॉशरूम लेके जा रहे थे तो यहाँ से 2 मिनट के डिस्टेंस पे है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं है। तभी भी वहाँ तक जाने तक 2 बार उनको रुकना पड़ा, चक्कर आ गया, और उनको चेयर पे रुका के ब्रेक लेके उनके वॉशरूम तक जाने की उनकी स्थिति नहीं है।
स्थिति 18 दिन में हो चुकी है।
हाँ, 18 दिन में हो
आज
गई।
सुबह के मेडिकल बुलेटिन के हिसाब से ब्लड शुगर और बीपी किस प्रकार से है?
आज जो बीपी था 107/67 आज का बीपी था, उनका 72 पल्स रेट था, और जो दूसरा ये उनका शुगर लेवल 81 है आज का। और
81 तो फिर भी बेहतर हो गया, 70 के बारे में
देखिए
बात कर रहे
कैसे
थे।
रहता है वो नहीं है। अभी उनका शुगर लेवल आज देखो 100 से बिलो रहना ही चिंताजनक रहता है। अभी जो कुछ हो रहा है वो आपको थोड़ा सा मैं डिटेल में बता दूं कि कोई भी अनशन जब करता है तो 6 to 7 डेज़ के बाद में बॉडी खाने में से जो प्रोटीन विटामिन है वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है, तो उसकी वजह से वो अभी अपने शरीर के में से ये नेचुरल रहता है कि शरीर के मसल्स में से वो रिकवर किया जाता है। हाँ, उसको रिजर्व्स को रही है तो वो रिजर्व्स में से यूज़ करने की वजह से आप जो ग्लूकोज लेवल बोल रहे हैं वो थोड़ा सा ये रहता है, लेकिन सडन ड्रॉप कभी भी हो सकता है और चिंताजनक उनकी स्थिति है। आगे हम उनके इसके ऊपर वॉच रखे हुए हैं।
डॉक्टर साहब थोड़ी सी जो हलचल है पैरों की और उंगलियों की मूवमेंट जो कि देखने को मिली, अभी इतनी देर से सो रहे थे, अब शायद थोड़ी देर के लिए जग गए हैं, ये सब अच्छे साइंस हैं, ये सब पॉजिटिव साइंस हैं।
नहीं, देखिए कैसा
चिंताजनक तो है, लेकिन पॉजिटिव साइंस हैं थोड़े से।
पॉजिटिव हलचल कर रहे हैं वो सही बात है, लेकिन वो भी अभी 2 दिन से हमने फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट अपॉइंट किया है जो उनके मसल्स को पूरा ऑयल से अच्छी तरह से उसका ये केयर कर रहे हैं, और इसकी वजह से अभी वो थोड़ा सा नहीं तो पूरे का उनको पेन्स भी, मसल पेन भी बहुत ज़्यादा होना स्टार्ट हो गया था, वर्टिगो चक्कर भी आना चालू हो गया था, और उनकी हालत और गंभीर पल होती जा रही है।
रात में सोते समय, जैसे जो शुगर पेशेंट्स होते हैं जिनको हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया हो जाता है, रात में सोते समय बहुत डर रहता है कि किस तरीके से ऑर्गन्स कोलैप्स होने का चांसेस रहता है, सिचुएशन गंभीर भी है। रात के समय के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
नींद में हमें चिंता यही रहती है कि उनकी सांस लेने के लिए कल रात उनको थोड़ा तकलीफ हो गया था।
It's blistering hot. It's been about 18 days since the hunger strike, Sonam Wangchuk, and joining us here is the spokesperson for the Cockroach Janata Party, Ashutosh Raka. Many thanks, Ashutosh, for taking out the time. It's been a busy and a hectic couple of days. We all understand that. It's been about 18 days. But my first question to you is, ever since Deepke came into the country, it's been 25 days since this protest here at Jantar Mantar. Do you think this is actually able to encapsulate and attract the imagination of the larger youth, the nation's multitude, like it was set out to plan to?
When have we seen thousands of youth standing, sitting on Jantar Mantar like this? I don't remember anything of that sort. I don't remember when has the youth gotten on the street, when has the youth been sitting on Jantar Mantar in thousands and thousands for 25 days straight. So that in itself means that the youth of this country has woken up and now they will not stay silent.
Well, you speak about the youth of the country being woken up. Today, Shashi Tharoor, his comment was, and he, in that heartfelt message to Sonam Wangchuk, clearly said that, you have awoken the conscience of this nation. That's what a hunger strike is set to do. Now, I urge you to, stop your hunger strike. What's your, take on that?
We thank Mr. Tharoor and everyone who has come out in support. This is not a political matter. This is a matter for the youth of this country. This is an issue that directly impacts millions and millions of youth of this country. So anyone who is coming and supporting us as citizens of this country are more than welcome. We really appreciate everyone's support. As far as hunger strike is concerned, we have also been requesting Sonam sir about ending his hunger strike, but he is very adamant that unless the government responds and accepts our demand, he'll not stop the hunger strike.
People are fed up. The demands are absolutely real at this point in time. And they're simple. First and foremost is the resignation of the Union Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan. People are sitting here for endless nights in this adverse situation and condition. Many are also saying that they're being treated like terrorists here. There is a lot of police deployment. There is a lot of rapid action force deployment. A lot of people that are, continuously recording whatever they can and spread the word around as much as they can, from chants of Jai Bhim to, slogans about Bhagat Singh, all the revolutionary characters. And of course, you take a look at the posters for yourself. This is the Krantikari Yuva Sangathan, but it's not just that. You have the AISA that's also part of this. A lot of politicians that have also extended their support. Just today, Uddhav Thackeray, DMK's Kanimori, you've got Shashi Tharoor of the Congress party. They've all urged Sonam Wangchuk to end his hunger strike. But let's quickly take you through to the actual pandal over there, the actual main stage, where you can see Sonam Wangchuk. He's sitting over there. He was sleeping a while back. It's a grim situation because it's been about 18 days, and in the last 18 days, the blood sugar has dropped down, the urine output has dropped down, the blood pressure has gone down. Situation looks a little grim, and today there is also a PIL that has been submitted to the Delhi High Court that asks for force feeding for Sonam Wangchuk, since the situation is turning out to be dire and catastrophic by the passing hour. He's only on a water diet, is what we've picked up from his doctor, Dr. Nitin. You can see the spokespersons over here, Abhijit Deepke right there on the stage, the founder of the Cockroach Janata Party. And we're again mentioning what started off as an online satirical political campaign has now converted and transformed into a full-blown political campaign, which right now is looking towards the 20th of this month, when actually the Sansad Chalo March, the Parliament March, is going to take place, and a lot of politicians that have also backed that particular march. We're going to continuously try and speak to some more people here, try and get a sense of what they are also demanding, try to speak to Abhijit, try to speak to some of the spokesperson for the Cockroach Janata Party, try to speak to the doctor as well to get a real sense of what the medical bulletin here looks like. This is Team In Your Interest right here in Jantar Mantar. Stay tuned.